In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can tap multiple times at once in Hamster Kombat. Tapping multiple times at once in Hamster Kombat can significantly enhance gameplay by allowing you to perform actions more quickly and efficiently. To do this, simply head to your phone settings. On the settings page, scroll down onto the accessibility option. You will then select on touch. On the assistive touch, make sure it's on. Then select onto this option of create new gesture. Tap on your screen multiple times. Then tap on save at the upper right corner of your screen. Get back to your Telegram and open up the Hamster Kombat. Before playing, tap on your assistive touch button. Select on gestures. Choose any fingertips you want to appear on your screen. Move them to the hamster and start tapping. You will tap once and receive 5 coins, depending on the fingertips you selected. That's how easy it is to tap multiple times at once on Hamster Kombat. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.